Okay, to continue, let us proceed next with division, no? Division of two monomials, 9x cubed y to the fourth, say to the fifth, divided by another monomial, 3x squared y squared z 7. Okay. If it's division, it can be expressed in what we call rational, no? Rational form. This one here is an example of rational algebraic expression, no? Why? Because the algebraic expression is presented in the form of a fraction. Okay? Kapag presented siya in the form of a fraction, ang tawag natin ay rational algebraic expression. This rational algebraic expression can also be expressed like this one. No? Yan, no? Okay. Okay, the next question is how do we proceed? Okay. This problem here is quite simple. Why? Kasi pareho ng variables, no? You got x, no? X here and x there, y there and y here, z there and z here. Okay? So, ganun pa rin yung ano, no? How do we solve this problem? The same principle, no? First, we proceed by identifying the variables that are common to the two monomials. Diba? Okay? So, and then we proceed with subtraction, no? X cubed 3 divided by 2 will give us x to the first power. 4 minus 2, no? 3 minus 2 will give us 1. 4 minus 2 will give us 2. And then here, 5 minus 7 will give us negative 2. And then we proceed with the division of the numerical coefficient. Okay, 9 divided by 3 will give us 3x. So, no need for us to write 1 kasi understood na kapag walang 1, understood ng exponent ng variable ay equal to 1. Okay? So, what will be the answer to this problem? It will be this. No? Okay? Kapag negative yung exponent, to make it positive, pwede mo siyang i-write into something like this. Y to the second power. To make positive, pwede mo siyang ilipat sa baba. Magiging positive yung negative exponent. Okay, so the answer, there are two ways of writing the answer. The first way is through this one. The other way, this way. Okay. Ito, medyo kakaiba itong in-introduce natin, no? Kapag yung variable is in the negative exponent, pwede mo siyang pwede mo siyang gawing positive by way of placing it in the denominator. Okay? If it happens naman, let's say na ganito yung case, no? Let's say nakuha mong quotient or sagot is 3x y squared over say negative 2. Assuming ganito yung nakuha mong answer. how to make z negative 2 positive. Ililipat mo lang siya sa kabila. No? Magiging ganito yung answer mo. 3x y squared. To make it positive, dilipat mo siya sa numerator. It will become z to the second power. Now, that is, for example, ganito yung nakuha mong answer. Okay? Sablikan natin, no? Okay, let's go back. Okay, this problem is quite simple. Why? Sabi natin nga, no? All because they share common variable x, y, z. Sa next video natin, we will tackle, for example, kung paano kung may variable sa taas na walang equivalent variable sa baba. Okay? But for now, eto muna tayo. Okay. Ayan, let's go back. Balikan lang natin, no? Yung application ng basic that we have discussed earlier. Kinuha lang muna natin yung mga common variable. What is a common variable? X, y, and z. Okay? And then what we did is we started subtracting. Okay? Yung exponent ng variable in the numerator being subtracted dun sa exponent ng variable sa denominator. Okay, 3 minus 2 leave us with x to the first power. 4 minus 2 leave us with y to the second power. And z to the 5th minus z to the 7th leave us with z to the negative 2. Okay? To make z to the negative 2 positive, anong ginawa natin? Ibinaba natin dun sa denominator. What happened? From z negative 2, it became z to the positive 2. Or positive z squared. No? Tapos nagbigay tayo ng hypothetical example. If for example, ang variable natin is ganito, 3xy squared divided by say to the negative 2. Okay, kung gusto natin gawing positive yung say to the negative 2, all we have to do is transfer say to the negative 2 dun sa numerator. And it will appear like this. Okay? Ganun lang, ililipat mo lang sa numerator, no? Kung yung negative mo ay nasa numerator, ililipat mo lang sa denominator. Ito kasi understood na over 1 yan. Diba? So, pag nilipat mo yung z to the negative 2, magiging ganito siya. Okay? So, here we have an example of a monomial, no, with variables being divided by another monomial with variables. Okay?